Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to collaborate in real time with Whimsical in 2026. Whether you're working with teammates, clients, or classmates, Whimsical makes it easy for everyone to edit the same board together. So let's get started. First, open Whimsical in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then open the board you want to collaborate on. Next, click the **share ** button in the top right corner. Invite your teammates by entering their email addresses or create a shareable link with the appropriate permissions. Once everyone joins the board, you'll see changes appear instantly as people add shapes, edit text, move objects, or create new sections. Yeah, there's no need to refresh the page because updates happen in real time. You can also leave comments, reply to feedback, and mention teammates to keep conversations connected directly to your work. You know, this makes teamwork much more organized than switching between different chat apps. When your collaboration session is complete, all changes are saved automatically. You can continue editing later, review version history if your plan supports it, or export and share the finished board. And that's it. Now you know how to collaborate in real time with Whimsical. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.